Welcome back to in this new tutorial. Welcome in my channel. I think you learn more and enjoy this tutorial very well. In previous tutorial or video, we have seen the extrude surface, revolve surface, swept pass, field surface, planar surface, etc. etc. If you have not watched this that tutorial, so you can go back and just watch this. Okay, now it's very easy, but it is necessary to see that tutorial because here is lot of uses of it. Okay, in this tutorial we will go to see the freeform and use of the freeform custom command in SolidWorks. It is surface tool. It is very useful tool. So for that, just watch this tutorial and video. I hope you will learn more and more, and just click on subscribe button to get more futuristic and more valuable knowledge about the SolidWorks and mechanical engineering knowledge. Okay, now you can see, if you are new here, you can go this channel, that is CDM CAD Design Master. You can watch all the videos that is for beginners and some advanced level also. You can see I have made many lecture tutorials in English and Hindi. If you like and if you like all the video, please comment and subscribe this channel. Okay, you can see the I have made the playlist of the all the tutorials. In future I will update it. Okay, now I have made one channel, that is GrabCAD. Over here in this channel I have uploaded many tutorials and models. You can go, I will provide you the link in provide the link of this CAD Design Master GrabCAD channel in description box. So just follow me. So let's start our tutorial. Okay, now go to the I have create a new file, that is part file. So go to use the freeform. Just follow me. You need to make first of all the one surface to by which you can freeform it. It's very helpful to tool in surface. So just click on top face, make a sketch. Okay, now make any sketch as you want. I am taking the center circle. Let's click on center and drag it like this and give the dimension to it about 200 mm. Okay, now your sketch always should be fully defined. Okay, just click on OK, go to the surface and click on planar surface. Okay, now this sketch will be converting into the one plane. Okay, just click on OK, you will see what will happen. Okay, now this is time to learn the freeform. Just click if you go drag your mouse on freeform, you will know that is what is freeform. Add a deformed surface to a planar surface. If you want to drag this surface at many places at our requirement, if you have seen the curved surface, that is it has a very folded, this freeform is very useful. Okay, so just click on freeform, select the surface, and here you will see the add curves and control polygon and control points. Click on control polygon, add the curves. Now you can add the curves over here. Here is a meshes are you have been seen. If you have not seen this mesh, just go ahead and here, wait a second. Here you will see the mesh preview. If you have installed the new SolidWorks, you will find the this mesh preview will be unchecked. Then you will not find the any mesh lines over here. It is very helpful to get more effective and attractive design by using the mesh pro. So just click on mesh preview. Now you will find the lines. So I have clicked the add curves and select this line as your requirement. If you want to get the vertical line, you will get from here, that is flip direction. You can also tap on keyboard. I am getting the 3 lines and one more line over here. It should be provide the symmetric. Okay, now I have if you want to more command on here, you can add the points. Just like me, I am adding some points over here. Okay, first wait a second, third. This point has not been selected because you will not find. Okay, Now just click on right click and click on OK. Now you will have the command to drag it. Okay, click on OK. Wait a second, escape key, and drag that point which you have made over here. Okay, so to understand, I have to make the multiple points for you. As you see what's happening over here, it's make the very beautiful drawing. It is very helpful in industrial designing to make the car body, car chassis, and car surface, etc, etc. In sheet metal, this is very useful and helpful tool. Okay, you can see the preview. Okay, as I have made the multiple points over here, so you can see the it's using the, you can go, you can drag it anywhere in X, Y, Z direction in 3D view. Okay, yes. If you want to make a game, then you have to make like this. It looks like a hill. Okay, so just click on OK. Now you can see what our final product. Okay, now if I will see you the normal to view, then you will see our plane surface has been converting into the freeform surface, so that it is called as a freeform, because the all surface is going to be freeform in any direction, in any way. Okay, so I think you have learned and enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new, please just subscribe this channel to get more futuristic and knowledgeable video in future.